I just got home from work, and you'll never believe what I found. I got a box. So I'm excited. I ordered this last week, and it just showed up. So let's open this puppy up and see what's inside. That's a lot of metal. Well, we got a lot of bubble wrap, a lot of pipes. Doesn't really smell like anything. So what this actually is right here is a true dual over the axle exhaust for the Trans Am. I ordered it from Speed Engineering, and I'm really excited about this one. I've had this really terrible exhaust on my car for the longest time. People ask about it all the time. Oh wow. Pipe's been crushed a little bit, but like on purpose to make it fit up better. That's a nice little touch. Something that the competitors that I almost bought from don't do. It comes with this interesting little mount thingy, some stickers. Oh, that's a long one. Holy crap, this is gonna take forever. Yeah, it's full stainless steel. Each piece is wrapped in bubble wrap. That's really nice. Oh, it's cheap too. Here's a muffler. Alright. Correction. Here's a resonator. Yeah, so that's pretty much straight through right there. Oh, this looks really nice. This is one of the reasons why I was super excited to go with these guys, because these tips just look so cool in the pictures. And yeah, this looks sweet. That's gonna look so good on the Trans Am. And it's all stainless steel. Should bolt right up to the headers that I already have on the car. And I shouldn't have any more exhaust leaks. And I think it's gonna sound sick. Wow, I can't believe how cool that looks. I'm super excited. So yeah, true duals. I'm curious how that's gonna change up the sound. At minimum, I'm sure it's gonna sound a hell of a lot better than it did. Those are really beefy exhaust clamps. Look at all those. I have an X pipe now. That is pretty cool. I've kind of always wanted true dual exhaust, but if you're a F-body guy like me, you kind of don't really get the chance. So that's really cool. Wow, new hangers with fresh bushings. This is all really nice. I'm really excited to see how it fits together. I'm very sad right now. Yeah, it normally is better than this.
It's actually a saw I used to cut up the tree after Hurricane Ike.
Nice.
Part of it. Not a chainsaw.
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, now let's plug on the cans. So if you haven't figured it out now, this is what we're doing today. You wanna...
Tell them what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have here is a Speed Engineering True Dual out the back exhaust system.
And any size specifications?
I want to say it's 3-inch the whole way. I don't remember off the top of my head. Should bolt right up to the headers that are already on the car. We got provisions right here for additional O2s or a wideband in the future. These super cool staggered quad tips. Well, dual tips. Dual tips have been qualified.
Dual tips.
And a very rumbly muffler.
And do you want to share with them the price point?
Well, the True Dual system was, I want to say, like $450, and with the Panhard bar relocation bracket, it came out to about $550. So all in all, not bad for an exhaust system, guys.
All right, well, let's go ahead and get the old bits off and the new bits on.
This is like a dream of mine. I never in my wildest dreams thought that I'd be going True Dual. I figured I'd put another fancy like Wi-Fi thingy on there. I've wanted to do exhaust for a long time now, and True Dual just it's very cool.
Hey, what's going on? Okay, so the car is jacked up in the air. Now we got to get the old exhaust off, and then we'll start installing the new one. So let's get to work, guys.
But it's getting hard because it's gonna fight the whole freaking way. Cause it's like a nylon walk or a nylon nut, you know.
Oh shit.
It's funny, the thing will randomly fall off driving periodically, but now that I want it off, it's Alright, it's split in the center. But this is where I'm like, I think we're gonna have to cut it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It should split there and it should split here, but the thing is I haven't been able to get this off since I put it on because I tightened it too tight. I can get it to spin, but I can't get it to come off. I don't know. Hi guys. We finally got the old crappy exhaust off.
Yeah, long process of cutting and twisting,
Prying,
bending, cursing, you know. So here's the old wretched exhaust. As you can see, the various cuts that were made.
Various. Yeah, well, my Sawzall is broken right now, so just had the 3-inch cutting wheel to do, or 4.5-inch cutting wheel to do it all. So, went through a couple of those. Started debating if I want to take off the heat shield that covers up the gas tank, or if I want to leave it. It's kind of ugly. A lot of guys remove it, and girls, ladies.
All 2% of you.
That's a for real number, by the way. Okay, this did not come this way, but it didn't fit whatsoever the way it did come, and it took some modification, as you can see. And stainless was kind of a new thing. It didn't have shield gas on the first pass, and it worked, sorta. It leaked, but it bought me time, which is what I needed.
And this is why we're doing the new proper exhaust.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this new stuff.
We've missed you guys. We really have missed doing these videos. Life got the best of us for a while, but we're back, and it'll be awesome, more awesome.
Yeah, it's better. It's better every day.
It's really cold today, and we're gonna do our best to work quickly and efficiently, so we can not freeze to death.
Yes. Life is.
First things first, we're gonna scuff up the attachment points.
Yeah, I was gonna use this to scuff up clean up the area where on the headers, because it's gummy from exhaust sealant and oil and just being there, carbon. So why don't I start on that, and you can start doing these. As in,
The food's here, so we're gonna eat first.
let's mess with the panhard bar bracket thing,
All right.
and then we can get the rest in. You're tearing up too.
Yeah, because I'm cold and I'm laying down.
Yeah, I'm having the same thing going on.
I'm crying because I'm so excited. We get another video for you guys out. Tears of joy.
I just was nuts on that, but it'll work.
Right now, Ben is removing the old panhard bar. That way we can install the panhard bar relocation kit. Should be this guy right here and the various bracketry you got down there. So once he gets done with that, we'll get this bad boy installed, and then we will continue the exhaust installation. And then we'll fire it up, do a couple burnouts so that you guys hear it roar. Alright, now that the panhard bar is off, we can go ahead and get the pipes that go over the axle, part of the exhaust, installed. And we'll be that much closer to hearing this baby purr. I mean, roar. Alright guys, well we are battling the weather right now, but look at this. Tell me this does not look really freaking good. Like, I mean, would you just take that in? Just now we still have to do some fine tuning, so calm down. We still gotta do some fine tuning. Gotta align it right here. It's kind of off. Move it a little bit, but overall, that looks really freaking good. Yeah. And here comes the rain.
2 hours later.
Alright, so it's cold and dark. Here it is. Give it a little bit more room than that. Take it to like $4 grand. Quick whip. Yeah, it's quick.
Alright.
It's only 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
I guess we started it off open header at 3 a.m.
Yeah. I mean, all this work, we gotta hear it. And there you guys have it, folks. Let me bring back here where it's warm and light. Warm and well lit.
Wow.
That sounds amazing.
That is loud and
It's-
throaty.
Really, it sounds like a proper LS
Yeah.
car now. Yeah.
I'm glad I did this.
Yeah.
It sounds really cool. The quality was really good. The parts look great. They sound good, obviously. Just a quick couple things I didn't care for. The clamps were super hard to tighten. They're really beefy over the top.
Yeah, that pain in the ass.
And the panhard bar relocation bracket took some wallowing out because the bolts are kind of oversized, beefier, I guess. But overall, really happy with it.
Yeah. So you guys saw what we did today. We removed the old shitty exhaust, installed this new, is it Speed
Engineering.
Speed Engineering exhaust. So if you guys are in the market for a budget true dual exhaust,
Yeah.
check them out.
Or just a good exhaust.
Yeah. I mean, you heard it here first.
Yeah.
Cold start, sounded amazing. It's a lot louder. Sounds a
Yeah,
lot throatier.
It's way louder than
Sounds
I
a
expected.
hell of a lot more aggressive, which is
Yeah.
awesome. So we can't wait to get some flyby shots, some action shots, some pulls. So stay tuned for that. That video will be coming up next week. We still got some fine tuning to do on the exhaust to get it fine tuned. Yeah, perfect. But it got really dark and it's really freaking cold. It's like
You
it's been
can see our
hovering.
breaths.
Yeah, it's been hovering around like 32, 34 degrees all day. So it's really cold for down south. But yeah,
The
so
Deep South.
thanks again for checking it out. We really appreciate it. We are back, so expect our normal schedule to resume shortly. And for those of you who don't know, we upload twice a week. It'll be Tuesday and Thursday. And thanks again for checking it out. Really appreciate it. Remember to go out there and do something awesome. Peace. And remember to hit like if you like how this sound or how this exhaust sounds.
And make sure to subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe for more awesome videos.
Tell your
And drop
friends.
us a comment if you have,
We always read them.
if you have anything to say, because we like talking to you guys. So thanks again.
No. So, in addition, we have a hanger that attaches where the rear seat belt is, and it holds it up about middle of the car. I definitely suggest that you get that in place before you bother doing any of these rear sections over the humps. Just get that done and all of that tight, and it'll be good. Then we have a hanger in the stock position. I got it where it flares outwards and the U kind of faces towards the front of the car. And it's the same thing on the driver's side. U faces towards the front and flares outward. I'm pretty happy with this not stock setup. I think it's going to be a lot more secure. And there's another two more that hold the tips, which get them tucked up really nicely. This is the passenger side. All of these hangers are unique, so it was a lot of trial and error to figure out. No, this is the driver's side. There was a lot of trial and error to figure out the orientation of them. This here is the passenger side.